Dr. Cohen. Welcome to Dr. Cohen's Science Palooza. Today we will learn about the properties of fluids. This includes density, viscosity, and buoyancy. Let's get started. Ready. Experiment 1, viscosity. Let's see what effect temperature has on a liquid. Today the liquid is corn syrup. The first jar of syrup is going outside for 10 minutes. Let's see how the cold affects viscosity. It's minus 28 outside. I'm freezing. How do you think the cold will affect the viscosity of the syrup? The first jar is outside in the cold now. This jar is going to sit at room temperature while this jar is going in the microwave for 1 minute. Let's see how temperature affects viscosity. Let's check out the results. Jar number 1 was outside for 10 minutes. The viscosity of the syrup is non-moving because of the cold. Jar number 2 is at room temperature. The viscosity of the syrup is slow moving. And jar number 3 was heated. The viscosity of the syrup is fast because of the increase in temperature. Experiment number 2. This ain't no taste test, but it is it's about an experiment about density. Let's get to it. Let's watch what happens when a regular can of Coke and a diet can of Coke are placed in the vases of water. What do you think will happen? Do you think both will sink, one sinks, or none sink? Bets? Let's see what happens next. Our third and final experiment is on buoyancy. Buoyancy allows something to float or sink. Let's see what happens when we drop a piece of Lego in a glass of oil and then in a glass of water. What do you think will happen? First block 1 in the glass of oil. First block 2 in the glass of water. What it is. Buoyancy is the ability of a fluid to support an object floating on or in the fluid. Buoyancy allows something to float or sink. The piece of Lego sinks because the buoyancy of canola oil is different than water. It is thicker. To be honest, I don't really understand buoyancy. I'm not much of a science guy. But hey, the experiment worked, I think. Let's quickly go over the safety procedures used here. I have my cool safety glasses. I used gloves when handling the hot jar microwave. I should have worn a coat outside when doing the viscosity experiment. Brrr! Don't shake the can of regular Coke. We know how that goes. And regular Coke is bad for your teeth, so make sure to brush them. Overall, these experiments are pretty safe, so I'd say I hope you enjoyed my experiments. Dr. Cohen out. Thanks for watching.